guys. While I still have you here, I just kind of wanted to extend my gratitude to everybody who took the time to show up, coming from all corners of the country, coming from the UK over here. Obviously, I make YouTube videos and stuff like that. I've been trying to just build a life I don't need a vacation from. That's been my goal. So my avenue has turned into YouTube, and I've met some awesome people. You know, this guy's been an inspiration for me. I'm looking right in the camera. I'm talking to Josh right now. So this guy's been an inspiration for me, making beautiful videos, you know, of motorcycles. And then I've contacted him and lent him maybe some mechanical input or something like that. So extending that to a lot of you, there's been a lot of back and forth, and it's all about that like kind of community, that building each other up. We all rise together, that kind of thing. And I can't thank you enough for making, you know, not sacrificing your time, we got beer here, but like giving me your time to show your appreciation to come here. I can't thank you enough. Seriously, it means the world. So that's it. I hope you guys have had a good time.
Thank you for doing all this stuff.
Now, before we end off this video, I wanted to insert some clips of the evolution of the workspace, starting from when I kind of first found the place to now, and I think it has come together perfectly. It is just an extension of what I feel my personality is, and I am just excited to thrive in this workspace, and I couldn't have done it without help, and I couldn't have done any of this without you guys. So I wanted to extend a personal thank you to all of those who watch the videos and support me via kind comments or emails or interaction in person. It really does mean the world to me. So, leading up to the open house was a lot of work for sure, but now that it's over, I'm just so excited to start working and creating in this workspace. So what that means is that we're going to be bringing back some kind of projects that have been on the back burner. So we're going to be finishing up the XS400. We're jumping back on the CBX restoration, and we're going to start some custom builds along with showing some more revivals. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the journey so far, and I definitely know you're going to be enjoying the journey going forward. So anyway, I hope you guys really like this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.